Hi folks, this is all the fruit, and while walking through the beautiful botanic garden of Lucca in Italy, I discovered something I haven't seen before. Well, actually two things I haven't seen before. First, admire this gigantic flowering quince shrub, Chaenomeles ex superba. It's close to 4 meters tall. I mean, look at it. So here, the lowest branches here are still well over 2 meters. So this shrub is at least 3.5 meters, so maybe close to 4 meters. That would have been quite interesting. And actually, yeah, I could try one of the fruits. The fruits are quite unusual shape, like pear-shaped or almost pawpaw shaped. And yeah, let's try one of the non-pollinated ones lying on the ground. Some of those hybrids, they are quite tasty. Not in this case, and a lot of seeds. So I wouldn't have made the video just for the giant flowering quince, but there is something even more amazing. When I approached this shrub, I saw this one stem, the thick gray stem. Definitely doesn't look like a flowering quince. And then when I looked up, I saw that this is actually a pawpaw. What is a pawpaw doing inside a giant flowering quince shrub? Cannot have been planted. I mean, look at it, it's right next to this lamp here. Nobody would plant it in here. Here, by the way, is a lower branch of the pawpaw, so you can see it's definitely a pawpaw. If it's not a pawpaw, please tell me what it is, in your opinion. Here, a flower, and bunches of fruits. The other branches are much higher, but you can see a couple other flowers up there. The funny thing is that right behind me there are 2 more young pawpaws. Look, Asimina triloba. At least here it's written. The same leaves, the same flowers. However, those flowers, they seem to be a little bit late. So I wondered, what is this? Who plants 2 pawpaws so close together, and who plants a third pawpaw in a place where you basically cannot plant anything? And now I think most probably they are not planted, most probably they are feral. This one is for sure feral. Nobody would plant it here. And those 2, are they feral or have they been planted? I mean, 1 or even 3 feral pawpaw trees means that there must be some huge pawpaw trees somewhere around here. I looked around but couldn't find it. I thought this could be a pawpaw, but no, it's not a pawpaw. I thought something around here could be a pawpaw, but no. There is everything growing around here, but no pawpaw. Where do those little plants come from? This is a magnolia. Well, closely related to the pawpaws, kind of related to the pawpaws, but still no pawpaw. What happened here, folks? Can you explain this to me? This botanic garden of Lucca is among the most beautiful ones I've seen in Italy, maybe anywhere in Europe. And it has a couple enigmatic things. They have a couple really rare plants in their collection. And then they have such things like a pawpaw. The only 2 explanations I can find for that is either a human ate pawpaws here and spit out the seeds randomly, or a bird ate pawpaws and spit out the seeds. Must have been a big bird, since pawpaw seeds are quite big. Tell me, folks, what do you think happened here? First, do you know an old pawpaw tree that exists or used to exist in the botanic garden of Lucca? Secondly, yeah, do you think that those 2 little trees here are planted or feral, and then the sign came later? And thirdly, Who do you think managed to sow or plant this pawpaw tree here, right between the lamp and this giant flowering quince? Yeah, sorry that I couldn't taste some pawpaw fruit right now, but it's not the season. We are in early May. So tell me your opinion on this tree, folks. Apart from that, stay tuned for a lot more fruit videos from the incredibly beautiful botanic garden of Lucca. And don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.